Season's greetings.
Stealth Black, Prism Gold, and Arctic White. This mobile is available in different variants like 6GB RAM with 128GB memory, 8GB RAM with 256GB memory, and 12GB RAM with 256GB memory. It is equipped with 6.67 inches Full HD Jodhpur LED 1080 by 2400 ultra-narrow bezels display with 120Hz refresh rate. 1000 nits peak brightness. Display comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 display. The 108MP 3x in sensor zoom AI triple camera with 8MP ultra-wide sensor and 2MP macro camera and 16MP front camera helps you capture the world on the go. Mediatek Dimensity 6080 6nm Octa-core 5G processor for high performance, up to 2.4 GHz, and up to 12GB RAM including 6GB virtual RAM. With the help of 5000 mAh large battery, with 33 watts fast charger in box and Type-C connectivity. The box includes USB cable, SIM tray ejector, USB OTG adapter, phone case. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page.